How much do you think that's going to go for?
These can be all over the board, man. I think you should be able to buy this for around $22.5 though.
See the video, watch it off for guys. Progressive link thumb. Hydraulic link coupler. Look at the garbage.
Bidding?
I don't know. That's not what I was after today, but that's a decent deal.
Right size machine, guys.
Yep, looks like we're on it.
Okay, we're on it. Let's see.
Hate to, but I'm gonna sell it 20,000. Buyer number is.
Yep, we own that one.
Got it.
Wasn't expecting to buy that today, but hey, it's a clean 270. We'll do all right on that.